So, if you're looking for a done-for-you affiliate system, well, you come to the right place. This is the 10x income system, guys, by Tabby D. Now, for those of you who don't know, guys, Tabby D created the 10x income system and has launched it, and it has only been active since October 1st, guys. So, the 10x income system, you have the ability to earn $297 in commissions on autopilot. With no complicated setup, no experience or tech skills needed, and no waiting for results. With autopilot traffic daily. Now, how is this possible, guys? Let me explain. It's all possible through Tabby D's traffic packages. But just to clarify, guys, this is not a free course. For those of you who are looking for free affiliate courses, guys, you're in the wrong video. But once you purchase this course, guys, and the course was $997 at one point, but it's now $297. Okay. And on top of that, guys, there's traffic packages in the course that you can leverage, guys, for the autopilot traffic. All right. So these are two separate costs. The cost for the program, which was $997, but recently had a huge price cut, so it's now $297, guys. On top of what you can pay in the program with the traffic packages. Now, to promote with traffic packages, guys, that is an option. All right. Personally, I prefer to go the organic route, guys. I haven't tried the traffic packages out myself, guys, yet, as of yet, but I've heard plenty of good things about them. Let me explain. So, there's actually 3 tiers of traffic packages in this course, guys. I think one of Tabby D's traffic packages, it's sort of like a $60 tier where you get like 5,000 potential leads. The next tier is $110 where you get double those leads, and the third tier is about $200, which I think you get the most value for because that contains quadruple the amount of those leads. So 5,000 times quadruple, all right, times 4, all right, which is 20,000 leads, guys. So the third one you definitely get the most value for. Um, Lifelong traffic, never worry about traffic and sales ever again with these traffic packages, guys. No waiting for results. Even though I definitely think there is waiting, guys. On average, guys, it takes about 1 or 2 weeks for results to come in. Just from watching the community and um, how they're reacting to the traffic that's coming in, guys. That's just from my observation. I've only been on this for about a week and a half so far, guys. So I'm actually still pretty new myself. Um, so 100% passive, guys. If you were going the traffic package route, stop failing and finally break through. I know this might seem kind of steep for some of you guys, even though it just had a huge price cut. But check this out. 365-day money back guarantee. So if you were to jump on this, guys, there would be literally nothing to lose. All right. If this were to somehow not work out, guys, and you cannot earn 297 commissions, guys, or this just wasn't for you for whatever reason, guys, you change your mind. 365-day money back guarantee. Now, Tabby D is doing this for all the new members, guys, because she's so confident that people could earn using this system. Now, it does take time, guys, to use, um, but I do believe it takes less time than a lot of the things that are out there, guys. So if you're stuck and you're scrambling around and looking for something that you could actually get some faster results with without waiting months and months, guys, this is definitely something to check out, guys. And it's very, very low risk, unlike a lot of things that are out there that are not free, guys. So that's the 10x income system, guys. 365-day money back guarantee. I hope this information was helpful, guys. This is actually the landing page for 10x income system, guys. So for those of you who want to check this page out for yourself, guys, watch this video and read up a little bit more on Tabby D in the articles below, guys. Links are in the description as usual. If this was helpful, like this video, guys. If there's anything else you want me to cover in the future, guys, just comment below, guys, and I'll make a video. Also, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content, guys. All right, later.